All right, so today we are going to go over how to call inside of Real Geeks and update your contacts. Makes life a little bit easier. So you're going to go to your Real Geeks app. As you can see, I'm opening it up on my phone, and I'm going to go here. I am going to go find the lead that I want to do. So I'm going to call Blythe because Blythe's phone right here, just so I can show y'all what it looks like on the other end. So click on the client's name that you want to call. I'm going to hit here, and then I'm going to hit the call button. Look at that big old green button right there. When I do that, it's going to ask which number you want to call. So if they got a secondary number that's on the bottom, you want to call the wife, you could do that directly from right there. So call the main number, and I hit the green button to go. Now, as you can watch, in her phone, it's me calling. So it is not the work number, it is my actual cell phone number. All right, so whenever I hang up, she didn't answer the phone. On an Android, you have to hit the back button. On an Apple, you don't have to hit anything. But if you go back one step, it's going to ask you for your log activity. So I can come in here and put called, left a voicemail. So left voicemail, first attempt, log. Now, so that's how you actually call somebody from inside of Real Geeks.